If your HVAC system is making clicking noises when it starts up or shuts down, you've got to check the relays and switches, because that's often where the problem's hiding. So first off, turn off the power to your HVAC unit before you poke around. It's super important for your safety, you know? Next, grab your flashlight and get comfy near the control panel where the relays and switches live. Look for any signs of wear like burnt marks or corrosion on those little components. If you spot anything sketchy, it might be time to swap out the faulty relay or switch. Another thing is to make sure all the wires are tight and not loose or frayed, because that can cause those annoying clicks too. Sometimes, dust or grime can mess with the contacts, so give them a gentle clean with a soft brush or compressed air. And don't forget, if you're not sure what you're doing, calling a pro is way better than risking a bigger mess. Lastly, keep an eye on how often those clicks happen. If it's just once or twice, it's probably normal, but constant clicking means something's definitely off. One of the most common mistakes people make with an HVAC system clicking issue is ignoring worn-out relays and switches, which leads to bigger electrical problems down the line. The fix is to replace these parts as soon as you notice damage. Another big issue is loose wiring causing intermittent clicking sounds. Tightening or replacing bad wires usually gets rid of that noise. Lastly, not cleaning dust and debris from relay contacts causes poor connections and erratic clicks. Regularly cleaning these parts helps keep your system quiet and running smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners like you find reliable local contractors who actually know what they're doing with HVAC repairs. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with folks needing their services, making the whole process way less stressful for everyone involved.